Hi everyone, welcome back to my mukbang. Today is my kind of a cheat day. I don't know. On my standard, this is a pretty big cheat day because I'm eating everything super unhealthy but very delicious. I'm back with some Big Mac, chicken nuggets, fries, and I really want to try the Szechuan sauce. I heard that they brought this sauce back because of the show called Rick and Morty. Correct me if I'm wrong. But on the side, I'm like, Big Mac, I love Big Mac. As much as I love Big Mac, it can be a little too, um, what do I say, like oily? Like include with like fries and chicken nuggets. So I am making mala fire noodles on the side. This is what happens if you are not prepared. And oh shoot, I should have added this before, huh? Oops. Yeah, this is what happens if you are not prepared and you are super hungry and you don't know what you're gonna eat and decides to film mukbang last minute. Some noodles, just kind of like a random mix match meal today. Are you guys ready? Voila! I love Big Mac. Let's try the Szechuan sauce. Ooh, I thought it'd be more interesting. So it looks more creamy. I thought it'd be more like clear, more liquidy sauce, but it's very thick. Tastes more like sriracha mayo, kind of. I'll try with the big chicken. Big nugget, McNugget. It tastes like sriracha mayo. And this is Coca-Cola. Oh, I've been craving Big Mac. Mmm. Mmm. Spicy. I bought this dress and pair of heels from Nasty Gal like 2 weeks ago. Because I wanted to wear that. Ooh, spicy. For a friend's wedding on Saturday. Tomorrow. It's sad that it was supposed to arrive today. And it did arrive today at the post office. It arrived to the post office a little too late, so I didn't get it today. So I'm assuming I'll get it tomorrow. But it's a morning wedding or lunch wedding, so I probably don't have the time to wait for the guy to come and deliver it to me. So I went a couple hours ago and I asked them if I can get it. Um, and if I can get, so I can pick it up instead of waiting for it to be delivered because it's there already. But they said it's not sorted right at the moment, so I have to wait until tomorrow morning when they start doing that. I'm like, well, it's a 9:30 wedding, so I can't wait until tomorrow morning. They said, well, you could try calling them 7 in the morning and then see if you could pick it up. I'm like, okay, well, that's the last shot I couldn't, give for this dress that I bought 2 weeks ago. I'm kind of upset because I bought it early, too. I mean, I shopped at Nasty Gal before and they never, I don't remember them shipping this late. So, what I'm going to do is just pick out a other nice outfit, have it as a backup, and try to call tomorrow morning. And if I can, pick it up. Obviously I'm gonna go pick it up. But if I can't, I guess I have to wear my backup stuff. Like, call me low quality and not know the real shiz, but I honestly think Big Mac and Whopper is the best burger out there. I know some people like love the gourmet stuff. I don't know. I don't like that. You know how usually gourmet burgers, their patties are super thick and super juicy? When I eat those, I only taste the patty because the patty overpowers everything. The reason why I like Whoppers and Big Mac is because they are so like they blend very well. Like the thinness, like the thickness of the patty and the bun and the pickles, it's just like all kind of even. So it's super like moist, and I don't know. Have you guys ever tried ordering fries at McDonald's? Well done. I sometimes order it with no salt. Well, of course, I try not to do when they're busy because I'm holding up the line and all, and because they have to make a fresh batch of fries because they always put salt on it. So it's kind of like a cheap way to get really fresh fries. Another great way is to ask them for well done fries, meaning they're probably more golden than this, a lot more crunchier. I'm actually surprised that I could even fit this much right now. What do you guys think about indecisive significant other? Like not just friends, but this person that you're dating, you're about to get married, or your husband. Like what do you guys think about it? Like would you guys never commit to somebody who's really like I'm talking about like they can never decide on their own. They're constantly asking, "Hey, is this okay or is that okay? Hey, like should I get a Big Mac or should I get a Whopper?" They're constantly asking you to decide or constantly asking for your opinion. Like they can never make their own decisions. Because personally, I don't think I could handle it because even with Tong, sometimes he asks me. He sometimes he does ask too much, and I think if I dated someone who's worse than Tong, I don't know. Like I don't think I can handle it because like sometimes you just don't care, and they're constantly asking like, "Hey, should I do this or today or not?" Or "Hey, should I order this or this?" You just like make up your own mind, like decide. I mean, there are times where I'm the type that if I know that I want certain things in a certain way, I'll decide. I'll let them know, hey, I can decide and I can do this and that. But if I'm not saying anything, if I'm not giving any input, you decide. And by this time, after dating 5 years, and by this time, Tung and I've been together for a long time. You should know that I just don't care sometimes. But honestly, his is not even that bad of a scenario. Like, I heard some stories where there are guys, usually more guys than girls. Is it because girls are so picky and you can never please them? So you just constantly ask them questions like, hey, is this okay or is this okay? Because you want to please your girl. Because, girls are usually more pickier than guys. Is that why? So there's this show that I used to watch all the time. They don't make anymore, but it's called 사랑과 전쟁, Love and War. And I remember this one episode where this girl, what is it called? She like met this guy, and he would constantly like she in the first date, the guy was like, "Hey, like, do you want to watch a movie or just grab food today? Hey, do you want to go drink?" Like he kept giving her options to pick, like for her to decide. And she thought, "Oh my god, this guy is so generous. He's so considerate. I like him." And then like more that we're dating, she saw that, it wasn't just him trying to be considerate. That's just the way he is. Like over time, she's like, it's okay, like I love him, and that shouldn't matter. And they got married, and even after they had a kid, he couldn't decide things on his own. So he's constantly asking his wife, so and it came to the point where like she couldn't handle it anymore because okay, we're not just dating anymore. Like you are a father. You got to make your own decisions too. At the same time, if I was a person that just could never make a decision, how do you even fix that? Like, if I can just, because what if I'm just afraid to make any kind of decision in life? I'm just afraid that I'm gonna mess up something. How do I fix that? How do you fix it? Has anybody went through that? Because I feel like not many people, but I know a couple people that doesn't make decisions very well, or they just don't know how to because they're scared. Like, what's a good way to help them to fix that? Well, I don't know. Okay, I'm going to end the video here today. I hope you guys enjoyed everything, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and check out my ASMR channel. Check out Dong's channel. He's been uploading a lot, so check out his channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.